Hi, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Halara. Thank you so much, Halara, for sending me all of these pieces. I hope my honest reviews will be able to help you guys in choosing your pieces. As we all love classic denim, the shapes, the silhouettes, it can really be uncomfortable. And let's be real, nobody wants that, especially for summer. Like, grabe yung init sa Pinas ngayon, tas magsusuot ka ng denim, please. Halara solves this problem by introducing their Flex Denim line. I've actually shared this in my previous YouTube video with them. Halara's Flex Denim is unique because it keeps its shape, so it keeps the silhouette from wide leg, cargos, you name it. They have so many styles, even mom jeans. They also are comfortable and breathable, literally a need for summer. And even if it's not summer, you totally need that. If you guys like any of these pieces, you can use my code Alice15 or Alicia015 to save 15% off on all full price Halara items. All of the item links will be in the description box down below. Also, every month Halara has the Halara Circle, wherein you can join and send your invaluable feedback as a customer, so you will actually be able to shape the styles and the products that you love from Halara, and this is for free. So check out more details in the description box down below. And by the way, for size reference, I'm 5'3", and I am wearing a size XS for most of my pieces from Halara. So let's start with my favorite outfit, what I'm wearing right now. So this one is a golf top. The fabric is actually for active wear, but you can use it as casual wear as well. As you can see, it has some stretch to it, so that's very nice. You can use these 3 buttons right here. And it also has this beautiful collar at the sides, and it is so pretty. I really love the cut of this. I think it's very flattering. I also actually have this in white, and I really loved it. That's why I got it in black. And I've used it for business wear, and it's so nice talaga. So it's nice for casual wear, for brunch. Like, naisip ko siya for that. So I really love this top. And this is how it looks like from the back. These shorts are very comfortable. The pockets are very nice and big. There are actually functional pockets, both at the front and also both at the back are functional. So you have some space to put your stuff in. It's very convenient. And it also has belt loops. I actually haven't tried asymmetrical shorts or pants yet, so this is new to me, but I love it. It just elevates shorts a little bit more so they're not so boring. Because honestly, hindi ako mahilig sa shorts. I really don't wear shorts because I feel like they can sometimes be too casual for my liking. But I've really been loving shorts lately, especially these shorts. I actually got these shorts in 2 colors, so I have this in black. This one is the blue version of these shorts. These shorts are so nice. Just look how pretty that is. I really love the color of this too. Like, imagine this as a cover up for a bikini for summer. Next, I'm gonna show you guys another top before we move on to the rest of the shorts. Halara has so many tops like this, but this is their sports bra. And it's so nice. I love this. I've actually worn this in my reel already for another video on my Instagram because it has built-in padding. And the back, that's stunning. I'm gonna show you guys a video on the screen. It's so nice. It's so flattering. Imagine if you're doing a back workout, this would show your back gains for real. But I don't really work out, but I still really love it. I think this is such an easy piece to style because you can use it as a crop top, and you can also use it for jogging or for any light sports activities, even for the gym. And it's so nice. It's thicker. Here, it has a bit of an elastic, and the quality is really so good. It's so easy to style pieces like this. So I make sure to stock up on Halara basics because I know that they'll last me long and I can wear them so many times. Let's move on to more of the Halara shorts. Now for this one, I was a little bit skeptical if this would actually fit me because it looks so small. Just look at that compared to these shorts. But I think it's really just the style of it, and I'm gonna show you guys. It still fits me so well. This is definitely body hugging, so I totally get why it is a bit smaller, but it is so stretchy. Just look at this. It has a decent amount of stretch to it, so it's still accurate with its size. It also has functional pockets. The ones at the front are not functional, but the ones at the back are. These shorts are gonna hug your curves. Like, compared to this one that looks a bit more oversized, this is the opposite. It's very tight, but still comfortable. It's just tight enough to hug your curves. Got these shorts in 2 colors. This sort of acid wash gray and this black color. So I have something just basic to throw on. So I really like this. They fit so well. And if you want to stock up on basics that are flattering for your curves, especially for the hips and bum, these are the shorts for you. I did also get a skirt. This is also flex denim. This is so nice too, by the way. This also hugs your curves. It's kind of a mix of these fitted shorts and then these shorts because the bottom flares out and the back also has two functional pockets. So it's basically the same as those shorts, the same material. It is a little bit thicker here on the waist area. As you can see, there's still some stretch to it, but it is thicker here to sort of like support your tummy area for tummy control. Just a nice basic to have. Really love this for summer. So if you don't want shorts, they also have flex denim skirts. Finally, we have our flex denim pants. These are amazing. By the way, the size range of Halara is amazing. It should be the standard for every brand because they are size inclusive and they have so many colors to choose from as well. So you know that you can get your pieces and styles and you can look good and feel good, no matter your size or preferences. These are actually the same paint blue denim jeans. See, I still memorize the color name because I really love these jeans. If you have seen my Instagram stories, this is basically all that I've been wearing. I have the lighter version of these as well, but this is the first one that I've gotten in a size small because I wanted it to be a little bit more mid-rise or low-rise. So that's why I sized up. But if you want your regular size and a high-waisted fit, just stick to your regular size. This has two pockets at the front. It has a button and zip closure, so it looks even more put together, like for the silhouette rather than just the elastic. So you have so many styles to choose from depending on your preferences. This is so nice. It also has belt loops, and the back has sort of like a V shape on the second line here with the stitching and all, compared to jeans that have a straight design here. It is a lot more flattering and the pockets are also very deep. I really love this. It's good when I wear sneakers or even if I wear sandals or heels with it. It's literally my go-to pant. Promise, love this so much. Basically, your everyday go-to pants. This is my best pick for you. And to end today's video, this is my favorite pair from all of these pieces, aside from these shorts and this top. If I were not to get shorts, this would be my best pick. This is what I've been wearing for uni. So basically, I have three colors of these pants already. The paint blue denim, the light blue, and now I have this sort of like gray acid wash. And I'm just gonna put the colors in the description box down below for the ones I chose. They have so much more to choose from, so definitely just check their website out. And this is so good. Like, I've gotten so many compliments on this actually. I wore this for my last day of midterms, my third day. I really love these jeans. It's so nice. It has the light wash in just some of the right places. So it makes your silhouette look nicer, if that makes sense. And it also has the button and zip closure. It's actually the same as the one that I showed you previously, but this is just in a size extra small, just how I would normally get it. I love these for errands, for school, for work, literally for everything. My go-to pair of pants. I swear by this. And I really love that it has pockets at the side and at the back. Oh, and I just realized it has these tiny pockets too. Yeah, on one side. So that's nice. So there's actually 5 pockets. Definitely gonna be wearing this a lot in my wardrobe. By the way, since I am 5'3", I usually get my pants in a size petite because plus, aside from the size range that Halara has, they actually have different lengths for their pants. Hello? So they have a regular length, they have a petite, and a tall length. So that's just cherry on top. Definitely just check out the size chart in Halara's website because they have more details there. Halara has affordable pieces without compromising quality, so I love that. I also love how versatile they are, and it is so easy to place your order whether you are looking for activewear, casual wear, formal wear, bridesmaid dresses. If you're looking for beachwear, they literally have you covered. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you again, Halara, for sending me all of these pieces. I hope my honest reviews will be able to help you guys in choosing your pieces. Once again, my coupon code is Alicia015 or Alice15 for 15% off on all full price Halara items. All of the links will be in the description box down below, including Halara Circle campaign. All of my social media accounts are Alice Roma. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It means so much to me. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully, we can reach 2,000 for my birth month. My birth month is actually this May already. So I'm really hoping on reaching that goal before my birth month. If you'd like to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell as well so you would be notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know which one was your favorite piece and outfit in the comment section down below. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!